The question is about flat iron curls. What are flat iron curls? How do you do flat iron curls? Well, my name is Ashley. I'm a hairstylist. I'm a mom to 4 busy kids, and I love big, voluminous, healthy hair. And I'm going to show you how to do flat iron curls and what tools you might want to try to use to achieve them. But before we get started, why not just use a standard curling iron if the end result is wanting curled hair? A big benefit of using a flat iron versus a curling iron is two things. First of all, the flat plates are going to smooth your hair at the same time as it's curling your hair, where a curling iron is going to curl your hair, but it's not going to smooth out any frizz. The second benefit to using a flat iron is it's actually a little less damaging on your hair. When you use a traditional curling iron to curl your hair, you start and you twist, right? All while your hair is staying on the hot tool. And then you set it and you hold it, and the heat is still being applied to the hair until you let go. A flat iron is nice because it's applying less heat. You start at the top, you're going to slightly put a bend in the hair, and then you're going to slowly pull down. And you can see that the hair is actually only going through those hot plates for a short period of time. And it's the tension and the bend that you're putting in the hair that is actually going to curl it. So anytime you're using a hot tool of any kind, it's important to prep your hair and use heat protectant. So I've already done that on this layer of hair, but I'm going to show you how to use a standard flat iron to curl your hair. So a standard flat iron starts open. This starts closed. So let me show you the difference here. So with your standard flat iron, you're going to take a small section that you've already applied your heat protectant to. You're going to start at the base. You're going to close it, and you're going to keep it closed, and you're going to pull out and away from your head. By doing so, you're putting a bend in the hair as you go down, and that is in turn curling the hair. Where this tool is handy is that it already comes closed. So what you do, you take that same size section, you open it at the top, and it's closed for you, so you don't have to keep the pressure on your hand the whole time. So if you have any hand or wrist issues, this might be the way to go. Then you're going to take that, and same concept. You're just going to bend and slowly pull down like that. Both create smoothed out curls. This one might just be a little more user-friendly. A benefit of using the airflow is it actually has a fan built in. You can hear that fan kicking in. All right, that fan is blowing out just a little bit of cool air through these vents. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna help set the style. So as you're bending, as you're curling, that cool air is actually setting that curl so that your curls will stay longer. Now that I'm done styling my hair with my flat iron, let's just recap. The benefits of using a flat iron to curl your hair are twofold. One is it's going to smooth the hair as it's curling it, and the second is that it's a little bit healthier because it's applying less heat to your hair overall. Now, can you use a regular flat iron to do it? Absolutely. Are there some benefits to using the TYMO airflow? For sure. The biggest one being the air vents, that it's going to help you set your curls and make them last longer, but it also clamps differently. So this one's going to automatically stay closed, and it's going to keep that tension. Where this one, as you're curling your hair, you have to manually keep this one closed, and you have to resume the same tension as you're pulling out and away from your head. So if you want to experiment with flat iron curls and you want to try the TYMO airflow, go ahead and check it out. I'm going to link it right down here below for you. But if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. I love talking about hair, doing hair tutorials, hair science, all the things that go into your hair care. So let me know how I can help you. I hope you have a fabulous hair day.